Welcome all. In this lecture we are going to discuss about projection of point. In engineering drawing, the two principal planes are used to get the projection of an object. So that are the planes are VP plane and another one is a HP plane. Vertical plane and HP means horizontal plane. The point it will be identified by the two or more projections, that is the top view and front view, and another one is a side view. And here you know that this is the first quadrant and second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. This figure it will be show how the HP and VP form the following four quadrants. And VP plane, and this is a HP plane, and XY point axis, and first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant, and next one is a fourth quadrant. Here a point in space may lie in any one of the four quadrants. First I am locating a point on the first quadrant. So how can you identify this point? Means the point is now above HP and in front of VP. Next I am locating a point on the second quadrant. So you can identify the point by above HP and behind VP. Next I am locating one point on the third quadrant. This point you can identify by below HP and behind VP plane. Next I am locating the point on the fourth quadrant. You can identify the point below HP and in front of VP. Next I am locating a point here. This point you can identify by point on HP and in front of VP. And another point I am locating here on the second quadrant. This point you can identify by point on HP and behind VP. I am locating the point here now. The point is you can identify by point on VP and above HP. Next point you can identify by point on VP below HP. I am locating a point on the XY reference line, so you can identify the point by point on HP and VP. In the projection of points and lines, the notation is very important. The following notations should be followed while naming different views in the orthographic projections. If the point is in the top view, means you have to notate the point as A or B or C like that, or 1, 2, 3. And if the point is in the front view, you have to notate the point as A dash, B dash and C dash like that. And if the point is in the side view, you have to notate the point as A double dash or B double dash or C double dash like that. And same system of notation should be followed in case of numbers like 1, 2, 3 also. See this figure, the point A in the first quadrant. You watch this point in from the front view. The front view image will be appear on the VP plane. So that point will be located as A dash. The next you watch this point from the top view. The top view image will be appear on the HP plane. For representation purpose, we are going to tilt the HP plane into 90-degree clockwise direction. So when the top view point, it will become below the XY reference line, and here you locate that top view name A. Next, a point A in the second quadrant. You watch this point from the front view. The front view image will be appear on the VP plane. So that is the front view point A dash. You watch the point from the top view. The top view image will be appear on the HP plane. For the representation purpose, you have to tilt the HP plane into 90-degree clockwise direction. So the top view image it will become below the reference line XY. So that point is A. Next, a point A in our third quadrant. You watch this point from the front view. The front view point will be appear on the VP plane. So that is a front view A dash. And the A point will be watched from the top view. You will be get the top view image on the HP plane. For the representation purpose, we are going to rotate the HP plane into 90-degree clockwise direction. So the top view point it will become above the reference line. So that point is A. Next, the point A in the fourth quadrant. You watch this point from the front view. The front view image will be appear on the VP plane, that is A dash. And you watch the point from the top view. The top view image will be appear on the HP plane. So for the representation purpose, you are going to rotate the HP plane into 90 degree. So the top view point, it will become below the reference line. That point is A. Now we are going to discuss projection of point in the first quadrant. A point A above HP and in front of VP. A point is there on above HP and in front of VP. You watch this point A from the front view. You will get the image on the VP plane, that is point A dash. And you watch the point A from the top view. You will get the image on the HP plane, that is a point A. Next, a point A above HP and in VP. Now the point A is above HP and in the VP plane. You watch this point from the front view. You will get the front view point at the same point itself, that is A dash. And you watch the point from the top view. The top view image will be get on the XY reference line. So that is a point A. In figure, now the point A is in the HP plane and in front of VP. You watch the point from the front view. The front view image will be get on the XY reference line. And you watch the point from the top view. The top view image will be get on the same point itself, that is a point A. And for the orthographic representation of all the above cases, you see that you have to tilt the HP plane into 90 degree clockwise direction. So the top view point A, it will become below the XY reference line. And see the next diagram. Next, for the orthographic representation, you have to tilt the HP plane into 90 degree clockwise direction. At the time, the top view point, it will become below the XY reference line. That is a point A. Now we are going to discuss in the projection of point the question number 1. A point A 30 above HP and 40 in front of VP. First we will draw a XY reference line, and from the XY reference line the point A is 30 above HP. So the front view point will be get on the above XY reference line. You take 30 mm distance from the XY direction above and you will locate the point as A dash. And the point is 40 in front of VP. So the top view point will be get below the XY reference line. The point, it will be get on the HP plane. You are going to tilt the HP plane into 90 degree. So the point top view, it will become below the XY reference line. So from the XY, you take 40 mm distance and you locate the point. That point is A. Next, question 2. Point A 40 above HP and 30 in front of VP. That means the point is located on the second quadrant. Draw a XY reference line and you take 40 mm distance from the XY reference line and locate the point. That point is our front view A dash. The next, the point is in the second quadrant and behind VP. So when you are watching the point from the top view point, it will be appear on the HP plane. We are going to rotate the HP plane into 90 degree clockwise direction. So the top view point will be get on the above XY reference line. So from the XY reference line, you take 30 mm distance and you locate the point A. Next, question 3. So here the point C is located on the third quadrant. Draw a XY reference line and the point C is 40 below HP. So from the XY reference line, you take 40 mm distance and you locate the point, our front view C dash. And next, the point is 30 behind VP. When you are watching the point from the top view point will be appear on the HP plane. So you have to tilt the HP plane into 90 degree in the clockwise direction. So the top view point, it will become above the XY reference line. So you take 30 mm distance above XY reference line and you locate the point of our top view point C. Next, question 4. Point D 40 below HP and 30 in front of VP. So the point D is located on the fourth quadrant. You draw a XY reference line and the point is located 40 below HP. So you take 40 mm distance below the XY reference line and you locate the point of D dash. And the point is 30 in front of VP. When you are watching the point from the top view image will be appear on the HP plane. You are rotating the HP plane into 90 degree. So the top view point will be get below the XY reference line. So you take 30 mm distance below XY reference line and locate the point of the top view D. Next, question number 5. Point A 20 above HP and 30 behind VP. So the point is in the second quadrant, you know that. Draw the XY reference line and you locate the point of the front view 20 above from the XY reference line, and that point is A dash. Next, this point is 30 behind VP. So when you are watching from the top view image will be appear on the HP plane, and for representation purpose you are rotating the plane into 90 degree. So the top view point will be get on the above reference line. Take 30 mm distance from the XY reference line and locate the point of A. Next, question number 6. Point A is on HP and 30 in front of VP. The point is in the HP plane. So draw a XY reference line and the point is located on the first quadrant. When you are watching the point from the front view image will be get on the XY reference line. That is a point of A dash. The point is 30 in front of VP. That is a top view point. So the top view image will be get below the XY reference line. That is distance is 30 mm. Next, question number 7. Point C is 30 below HP and on VP. The point is in the VP plane. So first we draw a XY reference line and you draw a front view first. Front view is 30 below HP. So you take 30 mm distance from the XY reference line and you locate the point C dash. And now the point is in the VP plane. When you are watching from the top view image will be appear on the XY reference line. So on the same projector you will be locate the point C. Next, question 8. Point D is on HP and 40 behind VP. Draw the XY reference line and here the front view will be get on the XY reference line. That is D dash. And the point is 40 behind VP. 40 behind VP means the top view point will be get above the XY reference line. So take 40 mm distance from the XY reference line and locate the point of our top view D. Next, question number 9. Point E 30 above HP and on VP. The point is on the VP plane. It is 30 above HP. So draw XY reference line and you draw a front view point 30 mm above XY reference line and locate the point of E dash. And the point is on the VP. When you are watching the point from the top view image will be appear on the same projector XY reference line. Locate the point on the XY reference line. That is the point E. Next, the question number 10. Point F is on HP and on VP. Draw the reference line XY. The point F is on HP and VP. So the front view and top view image will be get on the XY reference line. So that is the point of F dash and F. Next, question number 11. A point A is 15 above HP and 20 in front of VP. Another point is 25 behind VP and 40 below HP. Draw the projection of A and B. Keeping the distance between the projectors equal to 90, draw straight lines joining the top views and the front views. Draw the XY reference line and first we are going to draw a point A projector. So that is 15 above HP. So you take 15 mm distance from the XY reference line and you locate the point of the front view A dash. On the same projector you will be locate the top view point 20 in front of VP. So you take 20 mm distance from the below XY reference line and you locate the point of top view A. Next, keeping the distance between the projector equal to 90 mm. So this is a projector. From the A projector you take 90 mm distance and you have to draw a projector point B. The projector point B is located 25 behind VP and 40 below HP. So the top view point it will become 25 behind VP and the front view point is 40 below HP. Draw the straight line joining the top views and the front views. So for the A projector, the top view is A, and the B projector, the top view point is B. You join the two top view points A and B, you joined it straight line, and you join the front view point A dash and B dash, you joined it. Question number 12. A point A is on HP and 40 in front of VP. Another point B is on VP and below HP. The line joining their front views makes an angle of 45 degree with XY, while the line joining their top views makes an angle 30 degree. Find the distance of the point B from HP. Draw the XY reference line, and first I am going to draw a projector point of A. That projected point A is on the HP, so that is a front view point A dash, and it is 40 in front of VP. So you take 40 mm distance below the XY reference line and you locate the point of A. And another point B is on VP and below HP. The point is on VP, so that means the top view point will be get on the VP plane and it is in below HP. So the front view point will become below the XY reference line. The distance is not given, but the angle is given. That is, the front view makes an angle of 45 degree with XY and the top view makes an angle 30 degree to XY reference line. So from the front view point you take 45 degree angle, you draw a inclined line, and the top view makes an angle 30 degree. So from the top view point A, you take 30 degree angle, you draw a inclined line up to the reference line of XY. That inclined line, it is intersecting on the XY line. That intersecting point you noted, that is a point, our top view point B. The next, from the top view point, you will be draw a perpendicular line in the downward direction up to the inclination line of 45. That intersecting point is B dash. To measure the length of B to B dash length you measure. So that is our final answer. Next, question 13. 2 points A and B are on HP. The point A being 30 in front of VP, while B is 45 behind VP. The line joining their top views makes an angle 45 degree with XY. Find the horizontal distance between the 2 points. Draw the XY reference line. The A point projector I am going to draw now. The A point is on the HP, so the front view point will be get on the XY reference line, and the A being 30 degree in front of VP. So the top view point will become below the XY reference line. So from the XY reference line you take 30 mm below and you locate the point A. Next, the another point is located on 45 behind VP. That means the another point, the top view, it will become above the XY reference line. So from the above the XY reference line, you take 45 mm distance and you draw a straight line. The line is parallel to XY. You name it, that is TT. The line joining of their top views makes an angle 45 degree with XY. So from the top view point on the A projector, you take 45 degree angle and you draw a inclined line, you draw it. The inclined line, it is intersecting on our straight line of TT. That intersecting point you noted, that is our top view point B. Next, from the point B, you draw a perpendicular line in the downward direction up to the XY reference line. You will be get the front view point of B dash. Then finally you will be measure the distance between the A projector to B projector distance you measure, and that is our final answer. Next, question 14. A point A is 20 above HP and in the first quadrant. Its shortest distance from the reference line XY is 40. Draw the projection of a point and determine its distance from VP. Draw the XY reference line. On that XY reference line you draw a vertical reference line, you draw it, that is X dash and Y dash, and that intersecting point you note, that is a point P. The next, from the point P in the left side direction at any convenient distance, you will be draw our A point projector. A is 20 above HP, so that is a front view point A dash. From the A dash you draw a straight line. Horizontally you draw it. The line is parallel to XY reference line. In the question, its shortest distance from the reference line XY is 40. So now P as a center and 40 mm is the radius. You draw a arc on the A dash extension line, you draw the arc. The intersecting point you noted, that point is our side view point of the point, that is A double dash. The next, from the side view point of the A double dash, you draw a perpendicular line up to the reference line of xy. That point you note it as O2. Now P as a center and PO2 is a radius. You draw a arc from the O2 up to the vertical reference line of x dash y dash. Next, from the point O, you draw a vertical downward extension line, you draw it. And then from the O3, you draw a horizontal line in the left side direction, you intersecting the extension line, you will be get the point, that is the point of our top view point A. Then finally, you will be determine the distance between VP. So the reference line to the top view point distance, you measure it. So that is our final answer. Here some of the important hints are there in the projection of points. The first one is, if the point is on above HP means the front view point it will become above the XY reference line. If a point is on the below HP means the front view point it will become below the XY reference line. If a point is on the in front of VP means the top view point it will become on below XY reference line. If the point is on behind VP means the top view point will become above the XY reference line. If the point is on the HP plane means the front view point it will be appear on the XY reference line. If the point is on the VP plane means the top view point it will be appear on XY reference line. Above, below, that name is mentioned as the front view points, and behind, in front means that is mentioned as a top view point. So these hints if you know thoroughly means you can locate any point or any quadrant easily.